Well, hello there and welcome to my Meemeow Carnival. Today we're going to be opening up 34 different carnival-inspired Meemeow products. I have 4 of these 11-inch plushies, 18 of these clip-on plushies, and 12 of these Meemeow figures, which I am extra excited about because I've never opened up Meemeow figures before and I can't wait to see what they're like. So it's gonna be a very fun time at the carnival today. Now this carnival was made possible by the wonderful people at Banter Toys and Collectibles. They sent me all these Meemeow products so we could unbox them together, have a look at them and see if it's something you want to go out and add to your Meemeow collection. If you do, you can find all these products at Target and Big W. Also, if you're in New Zealand, you can grab these ones from the warehouse as well. Now I have to start with the 11-inch plushies. I'm a pretty big plushie enthusiast, don't know if you could tell. And in these 11-inch mystery bags, you can get one of these 4 designs. So we've got Snow Cone Cat, Onion Ring Cat, S'mores Cat, and Chocolate Dipped Banana Cat. Now I really love all these designs, but I especially want the Onion Ring Cat because he's wearing the cutest little purple outfit. Okay, it's not really an outfit, it's a container that holds his onion rings, but it's purple and I need it. Let's see if we can get Onion Ring Cat first go. Opening up the bag. Which mystery Meemeow is it gonna be? That was so lucky! Oh my goodness, he's even more beautiful in 11-inch. I got to open up the baby one a few weeks ago and now we have a third bestie. Just look at our outfit coordination. The colors are identical. So 11-inch Onion Ring Cat. Look at his face. He looks so happy. He's having a little sleep, but he's also having a dream about eating some onion rings. He's got a big onion ring on his head. He's got all these onion rings stacked across here. And one of the coolest things about this design is the gradual fading you can see. It's like he's been very well cooked on top and less well cooked on the bottom. See, even on this onion ring, you can see the crispy bit, you can see the less crispy bit. It's a very nice detail. Well, with the main one that I wanted already achieved, I'm happy for the rest of the bags to contain any of these. I mean, I would love to get one of each. I don't seem to have very good luck with giant mystery plushies. I always get a lot of doubles. So, will this be a double or will it be a new one? Second 11-inch Meemeow is, I'll let you take a look first. Oh! It is a double! I don't know how this always happens to me, but honestly, in this case, I love this guy so much. I'm all for it. We're a family now, we love our purple outfits, and we just couldn't be happier. Let's see who's in those other 2 bags, though. Imagine if it's 4 onion cats. Is it gonna be a 3rd onion cat, or is it gonna be someone new? Oh! Is that banana? It is the banana. It's the chocolate dip banana cat, and he looks so cute in 11-inch. No way. He has bananas in his eyes. I thought that was just a yellow bit at first, but no, it's literally shaped like a banana, and then we've got the sprinkles here. That is so amazing. It kind of looks like he's dreaming of eating a chocolate dip banana, which is interesting because he is a chocolate dip banana. Not too sure what to think of that. I'll just say, if that one has another chocolate dip banana, they're in trouble. I absolutely love the cherry on his head, so cute. And then we've got a bunch of sprinkles on his head and some of them are embroidered, some of them are printed. They look so nice and rainbow. I love these banana peels. You can have them up or peel them down. Such a beautiful carnival cat. Let's find out who the last one is. I'm hoping it'll be one of the 2 that I don't have. Who is it gonna be? I can't look. You'll have to tell me. What is it? Oh my goodness. It's a snack for him. So 2 chocolate chip bananas, 2 onion ring cats is what we got from the 11-inch plushies today. Next, I am super keen to open up the Meemeow figures. I've never opened up Meemeow figures before, so I'm just beyond excited to see what these look like, see what these feel like. There are 8 different figures we can collect, and we've got 12 of these boxes to open. So I'm really hoping that I'm going to get one of each figure, but you just never know with mystery products. So this is what the box looks like. You can see cute artwork of lots of our carnival friends. It's got the 8 you can collect on either side of the box. And let's open it up and see what is inside the box, we've got some paper packaging. There is a little guide, very similar to what we can see on the outside of the box. And the first carnival figure, oh, this wrapping is so cute. It has the little Aphmau logo on it. That's adorable. And the first one is this beautiful ice cream cat. Oh my goodness. This figure is beautiful. This is the Sunday cat. You can see she has a beautifully detailed face. She's got little stars in her eyes and cute little cheeks. Also has sprinkles on it, which look just adorable. There is this cute little cherry on top. There's a blob of ice cream with a banana on top. And then if you look around the bottom, it's got the waffle cone texture, and the cat also has ice cream scoop paws. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I have 11 more to open up. Figure number 2. I've got the little paper wrapping again. I think I can see some green through the paper. And it is the candy apple one. Oh my goodness, another beautiful design. I love the colors of this one. The eyes on this one have beautiful little hearts. Oh, she even has little freckles by her eyes. I'm obsessed with the little apple leaf on top. That's so cute, and it's just so nice how the caramel is 3D, how it's just dripping over the cat body. It is beautiful. And we've got the tiny little stick to carry the whole candy apple, and look how cute they look together. Meow figure number 3. Okay, I can see, oh dear, I think we might have a double already. I am not doing good with doubles today. Figure number 4, please be someone different. I can't really tell what color this is through the paper this time. No! That's wild. I hope that luck doesn't continue. This better be someone new. Can we get an onion cat figure to add to my onion cat family? Oh my goodness. This is Onion Cat! Look everybody, it's a new member of our family. He's not excited to be part of the family. It's okay, you'll fit in no time. So you can see this one has a similar design to the plushie, the little sleepy, sneaky face. He has an onion ring on his head and 4 onion rings across his back, and then he too is wearing the snazziest of purple outfits. And the cool thing about this one is that the whole thing has a textured feel. So if I compare it to this cat here, you can see this one looks really smooth, and this one has lots of little bumps and grooves on it to represent those onion rings. Another beautiful Meow figure for my collection. Okay, open up this one. Oh, this is Hot Dog Cat, I think. You can kind of see some red through the paper. Oh, I love Hot Dog Cat, and he looks just as beautiful in figure form. So we can see his cute little face here. He's got a packet of ketchup on his head, and I just love how he has this little flopped over ear. It's extra adorable. Then he's got mustard drizzled along his back, and then there's even more on the tail. If we have a look at the bread, it's got all these sesame seeds on it. If we look at his little paws, we can see that the front paws have a dark red detail on them, and then the back paws have the cute little paws. Hooray! We now have 4 out of 8 of the Meow figures, and I still have 6 boxes left to open, so fingers crossed we can get the other 4 in those 6 boxes. I'm looking for the snow cone cat, the s'more cat, the lollipop cat, oh I better get her, she's beautiful, and the sugar cookie cat. Oh, she has so much purple on her. She better be in here. Meow figure number 7. I don't even want to look through the paper. I'm gonna see if I can feel what it is. Okay. This feels like a bow. Oh my gosh, is this a lollipop one? It is the lollipop one. Oh, I'm so excited. She's so cute. The rainbow details on her. You can see she has a rainbow going the whole way around her face. I just love the way that the swirl goes around her back. And then if we look on the paws, look at this. That is amazing. You can see 5 different rainbow swirls happening at once. And then of course we've got the lollipop stick with the pink bow, which is just so cute. And oh my gosh, I didn't realize she had little hearts in her eyes too. That is so cute. These Meow figures are the best thing ever. I I now have 5 out of 8 and I still have 5 boxes to go. So there will definitely be some doubles in here. That's alright, as long as I get the full set, I don't care how many doubles I get. Should I do another feeling test for this one? Not looking at the paper. Oh no, this one feels really textured. Is this onion? No, it can't be onion because I don't feel any onion rings. Oh, this is snow cone cat! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I got another new one. This is snow cone cat. He is textured like a snow cone. I just love how they match the texture to the kind of cat it is. He has the beautiful stars in his eyes. He has a cherry on top of his head. Got cute little paw prints on the back, and his tail is the actual cone of the snow cone. It's such a nice design. This is figure number 9. I cannot really tell who it is through the paper. Oh my gosh, is it the cookie cat? It's the sugar cookie cat! Okay, she's technically called a frosted cookie, but sugar cookie works too. And she might be my favorite, don't tell them. She has a little purple star on her ear and purple eyes with stars in them, and she just is covered in sprinkles. So many beautiful sprinkles. Once again, the icing is like 3D raised off the cat. Oh, she has another little purple star on her tail. She also has the 3D icing on her paws. It looks like she's wearing little icing shoes. The colors are so nice on this one. What a pretty figure. And that means that we've opened 7 out of 8 figures. The only one I haven't opened is, oh, the small one. I've got 3 boxes left. Fingers crossed one of these has the small in it. Don't mind what the other 2 are. Just really need that small. Okay, is it going to be a double? Is it going to be a small? Oh, it's definitely not a small. It's a double of the snow cone cat. That's okay. We've still got 2 left. Please, please one of you be the small. Second last one. I can't see it super well through the back. Oh my goodness, it's the small. We did it. We got a full set of the figures. And oh my goodness, this small is gorgeous. The detail on this one, it just has so many different layers. So we've got the basic small cat. You can see its little eyes with its marshmallows in. Then we've got chocolate melted all over it. And then we've got the biscuit on top. The biscuit is a different texture from the chocolate. It's got that kind of bumpy texture. And you can see the whole thing has a gradient. So we can see that the s'more is well toasted on one side. It is just gorgeous. I love you, small cat. And I love this full set of Meemeow figures. They are just adorable. Shall we find out who was in the very last box? Place your guesses now. My guess is another small cat. That'd be funny if there were 2. And it is. Oh my goodness. I think it is this small cat. That's amazing. No matter which one of those 2 boxes I had opened, it would have been the small cat. What a beautiful way to finish off my first box of Meemeow figures. Now the final thing to open up from this video are the plush clip-ons. There are 6 different designs to collect. So fingers crossed I'll get 6 different cats from this box today. The first carnival clip-on is the small cat. We're on a bit of a small cat streak. That marshmallow on his head is so cute. Look at this beautiful small cat. He's got his chocolate dripping down, chocolate in his ears. I just love the detail of the marshmallows in his eyes. It's so cute. And he's got a happy little smile too. Clip-on number 2 is gonna be, hopefully it's not a 4th small. It is a 4th small in a row. Third clip-on is hopefully gonna be someone new. Oh, that's someone new. We've got a green, we've got the apple one. The caramel apple is so cute with the little embroidered hearts and embroidered freckles. I love this little leaf and stem. And it is just super, super soft. Mystery clip-on number 4 is gonna have, the 4th one is another caramel apple cat. 5th one. Come on, give me a new design. Who is it? Oh my goodness. So this is the lollipop cat in the plush form. She is sparkly. So you can see she's made out of this beautiful sparkling fabric. I just love her rainbow swirl and the little hearts in her eyes. She is so cute. What a perfect clip-on. And that means I've actually got half of the clip-ons. I'm already at 3 out of 6. Mystery clip-on number 6 is I cursed to open 2 in a row of every design today. This is Mystery Clip On number 7, and oh yay, it's someone new. It's our snow cone cat, and he is a fluffy cat. And not only is he fluffy, he's sparkly too. Look at all those glorious sparkles. He's also got gorgeous eyes, got the little embroidered stars in his eyes, and the colors of his eyes are the same as these colors. So you can see we've got blue outline, red in there, and yellow stars to match the blue, red, yellow. He also has the cherry on his head, and it's really nice that he's got the yellow inside the ears to match the yellow in the middle. That looks so good. And that means I've already got 4 out of 6 different designs. Just looking for the ice cream one and the frosted cookie one. I really need that frosted cookie one. She's very purple. She would look perfect on my bags. Next one is, oh, it's another s'more cat. We have a 3rd s'more cat. And mystery clip on number 9 is, okay, here's the 2nd snow cone cat. Mystery clip on number 10 is, it's the ice cream one. That is very exciting. She's got these beautiful pink and brown eyes to match the topping of her ice cream, and then she also has beautiful little yellow stars as well. And we've got lots of embroidered sprinkles on top. I always love embroidered details. Got these cute little cheeks down here, happy little smile, and a pink cherry on top. That is 5 opened, just 1 more. The one I want the most, the one I want to carry around on my bag with me. Will it be this one? I think this is number 11, and it's another candy apple. Mystery clip on number 12 is another snow cone one. Will 13 be my lucky number and have the frosted cat in here? Oh, I got so excited. I really thought it was a frosted cat for a second, but it's another one of the ice cream cat. There's only 5 left. 5 left and 1 cookie cat. Surely it can be in here. Another double. Okay, 4 left. Surely one of you can be the frosted cookie, please. And it is. Is it the frosted cookie? It is the frosted cookie. We did it. We completed the set, and I got my favorite one in the set. I'll put her on my bag, and she's gonna come on adventures with me. I am obsessed with her little purple star. She's actually got a pink one under there too, and then all of these beautiful sprinkles. She also has the cutest little purple eyes. Her eyes have little stars in them, and I love her eyelashes. I just love it when you get a full set. Now I am still curious to see who's in these last 3 ones. Let's quickly find out. 3rd last one has another lollipop cat. 2nd last one, oh, it's another frosting cat. And the last one, based on the fact I've gotten 3 of every single cat, but only 2 of the frosting cat, I'm gonna make a guess and say this is gonna be the frosted cookie again. And would you look at that, the frosted cookie. Now that is a good mystery box. There was 3 of every one. There was equal chances of getting any of them. We love that in a mystery box. And I love that I got a full set of the figurines. Didn't get the full set of the 11-inch, but you can't win them all. I really hope you enjoyed watching this Meemeow unboxing today. If you're interested in picking up any of these adorable Carnival Meemeow products, you can get them all at Big W and Target. And if you're in New Zealand, these figures are also at the warehouse. Thank you so much to Banter Toys for sending me all these beautiful Meemeow products and making today's video happen. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you again with some more videos soon. Bye!